Ride the wave of green candle season is upon us, and yes, we're talking about the Surf token over on Pulse Chain. If you've been following along, you know that we've been absolutely killing it with our Pulse Chain cup and handle bullish prediction, our bullish prediction on PTGC, our cup and handle breakout of Teddy, and now we're looking at the Surf token, and we're seeing this big falling wedge pattern, this bullish falling wedge after the launch just a couple months ago. Launched at 11K market cap, quickly ran up to 3.8, 3.6 million market cap, and is having this healthy consolidation. Of course, PLS was also going down in this period, but now with PLS finding a bottom, putting in nice price action, it looks like this bullish falling wedge pattern is coming into play. If you've been watching the live shows, we've been drawing this line a while ago, and I was talking about, hey, this is a critical retest to see if we do in fact have bullish momentum here. And if we extend kind of this chart, what we got going on, I mean, this is what you're looking at, guys. You're looking at bullish action here off the lows, good volume coming in, and we need to attack this overhead trend line, break out, retest, and go to the moon. I mean, this is what this consolidation is, break out, retest, and go to the moon, new all-time highs. You're talking about a 1.4 million market cap project that has a 5% buy tax and a 5% sell tax. Those taxes go to you, the holder, and reflection rewards. They go towards auto burning and buying the token. They go to auto LP ads of PLS and the X token. They go to a DAO wallet where if you hold 200,000 Surf or more, you get to vote on how those funds are spent and more. So you can see here, over 2.23% of the total supply has already been bought and burnt in the 3 months of existence, and that is just what is automatically built into the protocol based on the trading volume. What's interesting is they've been hinting at this new dashboard coming to their website that is going to provide a lot of data and allow you to see behind the scenes on the economic power that is going on behind Surf. They've also said once the dashboard is live, they're going to start doing buybacks and burns of Surf token based off of DeFi yield and crypto paradise revenues. So I expect that to start amping up this chart at a great time as well. Hopefully we see the first one of those next week. Now, if you want to learn more about the Surf token in Crypto Paradise, of course, come to their website. This is the Surf tab here. You got the contract address, sustainable token ecosystem, tells you about the DAO, and it breaks down how the token tax system works and where the funds go and why it benefits you, the Surf token holder, over time, creating deflationary supply, giving you incentives to hold from rewards, and building LP on what we believe is the most undervalued layer 1 in Pulse Chain. Of course, if you want to see what the tiers are, you click on the DAO button here. This is your DAO wallet checker, a bot that can read your wallet and get you into the DAO if you have 200,000 Surf or more. And you can see what all the other tiers of Surf investors are getting for benefits for their holdings. The golden target is 400,000 Surf because you do get a 10% discount on all Crypto Paradise events, and you do get priority on ultra exclusive investments. The Frontier Fund Round 2 is starting early in August. I would recommend getting 400,000 Surf and getting into that Frontier Fund. It's been absolutely printing for us in that portion of the portfolio. But if you just want to dip your toes in, buy some Surf for a trade, feel free to do that. But if you want to take it to the next level, 200,000 Surf or more, you will be able to get into the private DAO group where your vote counts and you get to decide how, when, and where the DAO funds are spent in order to pump your bags. On top of that, there's plenty of great alpha calls. We called Fuck 9 to 5 in there at 300K market cap. It is now a $4 million market cap. We called Dose in there at 100K market cap. It is now a $1 million market cap. We called Vox in there at a 25K market cap. It's now over 100,000 market cap. We called Emit in there at 49 cents. It's now $1.20, and there's more calls to come very, very soon. Let's not also forget we were part of helping RhinoFi launch at a 40K market cap. It is now at 700,000 market cap. The members of the DAO were some of the first people to get that contract address and get the gains on that launch on Pulse Chain as well. Crypto Paradise is doing its best as a marketing company for all of crypto, but really trying to onboard the masses into the Pulse Chain network and ride the wave of green candles that is going to come for Pulse Chain, PulseX, Hex, INC, and some of our favorites that we call in the SurfDAO group, such as PTGC, Rhino, UFO, X, and of course, the Surf token. I would definitely look out at Surf. If you like microcap gems, it fits the picture. If you like memes, you got the Surfing Coconut here. If you like token tax systems that are actually putting the value back into the token economy, well, you got that here as well. And if you're with me and you believe that Pulse Chain is massively undervalued, Surf Token is here to say it is onboarding people to your network. It's going to help pump your other bags. So why not go ahead and buy a little bag just in case? You never know what might happen. Peace!
Crypto is on the rise, making that